أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. Dear students of class 8, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today our this topic is we are continuing our topic, that is protecting the rights of Dalits and Adivasis. It is from chapter number 8, confronting marginalization, and the book is Social and Political Life, third. In this topic, as you have already read, that in the village of Jakmulgar, a festival is in the village of this Jakmulgar. They are gearing up for a big festival once in 5 years. In this festival, the local deity is honored and the priests from 20 neighboring villages come for this festival event. So actually, this in Jakmulkar there was a person who performed this task that belongs to Ratnam's family. Now, who is Ratnam? Ratnam was all of 20 years studying engineering in a nearby college, but he refused to perform this ritual. So when he refused to perform, he said that he had no faith in this practice and that his family members were forced to perform this ritual because they were Dalits. When Ratnam refused, Ratnam's refusal angered both the powerful castes in the village and some families from his own community. The powerful castes, they were also shocked that such a young boy had the guts to refuse. They believed that it was Ratnam's education which allowed him to imagine that he could start comparing himself with them. So when he refused to do this, those from Ratnam's own caste, they were fearful, angering the powerful. Many worked on their fields as daily wage laborers. If the dominant caste decided to not call them that, then what would they earn? How would they survive? They also declared that the worth of the local deity would strike them if they refused to give in. Ratnam argued that given that not a single Dalit had ever entered the temple, how could the deity be angry with them? So the powerful castes decided to teach Ratnam a lesson. His community was ordered to ostracize him and his family, and everyone was told that no one should speak or do any work for them or with them. One night, some men entered their part of the village and set his hut on fire. He managed to escape with his mother. Ratnam then went to file a case in the local police station under the Scheduled Caste and Scheduled Tribes Prevention Atrocities Act 1989. Other Dalit families still didn't come out in his support as they were scared that a similar fate might await them if they spoke out. The case was picked up by the local media that led to many journalists visiting the village. Ratnam was written about as a symbol of Dalit action. The ritual was called off, but his family was forced to move out as they continued to be ostracized by the powerful castes in the village. देखो बट रत्नाम जो ये फेस्टिवल मनाया जाता है यानी ये एक्चुअली रत्नाम की फैमिली को बिलोंग करता है क्योंकि उसका जो बाप और उसका ग्रैंडफादर जो था वो ये काम कर रहे थे। अब हमें देखना है रत्नाम कौन था। रत्नाम एक बच्चा था, 20 साल का लड़का था जो इंजीनियरिंग पढ़ रहा था। तो उसने इस फेस्टिवल को रिफ्यूज़ किया क्योंकि उसको पता था कि जो यहाँ के दूसरे हिंदूज़, पावरफुल हिंदूज़ हैं या हाई कास्ट हिंदूज़ जो अपने आप को कहते हैं, वो उन्हें कभी भी टेंपल जाने की इजाज़त नहीं दे रहे हैं। अगर उन्हें टेंपल जाने की इजाज़त नहीं दे रहे हैं तो ये फेस्टिवल मनाने का, ये जो फेस्टिवल हम मना रहे हैं इसका मकसद ही क्या था। तो इसी चीज़ को आगे लेते हुए चूँकि जब उसने रिफ्यूज़ किया ऐसी चीज़ों से तो वहाँ पर उसके अपने जो दलित्स थे वो भी और दूसरे जो लोग थे जो पावरफुल हिंदूज़ थे वो भी उसके खिलाफ़ हुए। तो एक दफ़ा उन्होंने ये भी कहा कि हम इसको लेसन सिखाएंगे, हम इसको अब दिखाएंगे। तो उन्होंने उसका जो हट था उसको जला दिया। तो वो हार्डली अपने माँ और अपने आप को बचा के वहाँ से चला गया। तो रत्नाम ने जब ये माजरा देखा तो वो लोकल पुलिस स्टेशन में गया। वहाँ पर उसने एक केस दर्ज किया अंडर द शेड्यूल कास्ट एंड शेड्यूल ट्राइब्स प्रिवेंशन एक्ट। एक केस उसने वहाँ पर जो 1989 में बनाया गया था तो वहाँ पर उसने ये केस दर्ज किया। जब ये केस उसने दर्ज किया जो उसके अपने यानी दलित थे तो वो उसको एक सिंबल मानने लगे क्योंकि इससे उस गाँव में बहुत से जर्नलिस्ट जो हैं वो इसको कवर करने के लिए आए। तो उन्होंने बहुत बार विज़िट वहाँ पर किया। तो रत्नाम को एक सिंबल की तरफ यानी दलितों का एक सिंबल माना जाता है, दलित एक्शन का। तो इसी चीज़ को मद्देनज़र रखकर ये जो फेस्टिवल है ये मनाया जा रहा है। आज के लिए इतना ही, बाकी वसल्लम।